Let's go, let's go. So sorry guys, in the middle of the sprayer, this way the mozzarella gets melted. Voila. Wow. We made the pizzas, but this is our halfway cook because I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna do now. I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna do now. I'm gonna finish to cook in this amazing grill that this guy said. I can't wait. Let's go. We're gonna walk there. We're gonna walk. I close the oven, so let's go, guys. Let's go. I'm gonna bring you with me. Yeah. Okay, guys, we're gonna get a little cart. Let's go. A little bird. Facciamo vedere l'America. We are in Los Angeles. Forza, andiamo, prendiamo questo. Batteria bassa. Battery, low battery. We're gonna walk. Andiamo, let's walk. We're almost there. Try to find a little scooter because that one was battery low. So they have so many different ones. I have birds because birds is more cheap. You know what I'm saying? Andiamo. Siamo quasi arrivati. Belle calde le pizze. C'ho una fame, ho una fame ragazzi, madonna. Andiamo, siamo quasi arrivati. Finally, we are here. MJ's Grill. These guys basically they make one of the best burger ever that I love because it's cooked with the same wood that I cook the pizza. Amazing, orange and olive. Andiamo, let's go inside. Let's get the guy. I'm gonna ask him to make the burger the size of the pizza this way. We're gonna eat the burger pizza. Andiamo. We're a little bit busy right now, so we're gonna do it. Okay, so now I'm gonna ask someone who is in charge here, the owner maybe. Excuse me. Who is the owner here that can help you with something? MJ. Excuse me, MJ. 1 second. I have a pizza store down the street right there. MJ, the owner. I have a pizza place down the street here. I brought some pizza. I want to make the pizza burger because I'm so hungry. You can make something? Sure. Amazing. Let's go see what he's gonna prepare. Let's go. Okay, excited. MJ, the owner, you already prepared something really quick, really fast. Look at this. Oh my God. Whoa! I'm able to eat this. I don't know, we'll see. So what are you gonna do now? What kind of meat is this? Explain to us.
That's tenderloin.
So I'm gonna explain to you.
Tenderloin.
I used to come here all the time. This is my favorite burger in Los Angeles because you cook with the wood, the same wood that I use for the pizza. The same wood that I use for the pizza, you use it for the burger. So I decided that's the best place to come here and do the pizza. Do the burger in a pizza, the pizza burger. Fine. So what do you prepare here?
That's ground tenderloin.
Ground tenderloin.
Yeah, ground tenderloin with a little salt and pepper.
That's it, simple.
Simple.
The best meat.
The best meat.
Simple.
Tender,
fine.
like, yeah. That's
Amazing. Look at this. So what are we gonna do now? We're gonna put it in the grill?
On the grill, yeah.
I'm gonna finish.
You want to try that?
No, you do. You do your things. I do my pizza. I have the pizza. I'm gonna finish to cook in this grill. Whenever you are done with that, we're gonna cook the pizza and we're gonna eat it together. Hopefully. Let's go. Let's see what we're gonna do. Oh guys, look at this! Amazing! I mean, who does this in Los Angeles? I mean, no one. I do the best pizza cook in the wood oven. This guy makes the best burger cook with wood. That's it. In Los Angeles, I don't know. This is my first time I see something like this. Amazing. I mean, my friend, amazing.
Thank you.
You also do everything here, like salmon.
Salmon, steaks, like burgers, chicken wings,
I mean, you cook everything in the.
everything. Yeah.
Amazing. That's it. If you like wood, my friend, the flavor that gives the wood, no other grills or oven can change the flavor. Okay, look at this. While the meat is cooking, we have to see he's doing something else. This is their classic burger, the signature of the location, correct? MJ is making the signature burger of this location. Of course, it's not a pizza burger, he made it custom for me.
That's mashed burger with grilled mozzarella cheese and grilled onion.
Amazing. Look at this burger, look. I'm getting hungry, guys. Oh my god. Oh my god! Look at this! Wow! Amazing, my friend. Look at this. Yeah. The meat is cooking right there. That's it.
I think we should flip that.
We gotta flip it. Let's go. How can I flip this? I'm gonna do it. So he's gonna teach me 1 second how to flip it. So what do you do? Like that? Bye. Bye. Easy. So we're gonna just flip it, right?
Use this one. Yeah.
1, 2. Just one shot. Come on.
Fine, shot.
One shot.
Perfect.
Done. Woo. Like the pizza. Flip it over. Same thing. Wow, guys, I feel something big right here. I feel something big. My God, these guys make, look at this. Meat, cooked with wood. Wow, the burger is complete. He's gonna close it. Wow, look at this burger, man. Look at, did you see my face? Did you see my face? Look at this burger. My friend, you should come here. This guy is in Melrose Avenue next to my pizza place, BJ Burger. Wow. And also, you put the burger in the grill to finish it, just like that. Come check this guy out. MJ Burger on Melrose Avenue, just next to my pizza place. You come to me, finish the pizza, come to get a burger. Or one day. Oh, you're cooking it right there. You finish like this. You give in the touch of the wood. Guys, I'm gonna cut some cheese. I'm gonna make the margherita on top of the burger because my friend, we already became family here. My friend, you got mozzarella right here, huh?
Fresh mozzarella.
Fresh mozzarella. Can I cut a little bit thinner? I wanna make it fantastic. Tan 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 tan. Let's make the like the pizza. I think that's enough. Guys, we're gonna put some tomato sauce. It's like I'm making the pizza. Tomato sauce. Some basil. Fresh basil. Some Parmesan cheese. Woo. And we're gonna put our fresh mozzarella. Wow! You know, guys, I was thinking maybe 2 pizzas on top is too much. So I'm gonna put just one. But I'm gonna finish. I'm gonna put just one. So I'm gonna finish to cook this one, of course. We are waiting that the mozzarella gets melted. We're gonna cook my pizzas, then we're gonna put the meat. So now because the dough is not ready 100%, I knew already, I'm gonna pass the burger, the pizza burger, on the pizza. Just like that. Let's see. And job complete. Job complete. Okay, guys. So my friend here, MJ, he suggests me to put the in the other equipment that they have, another oven. So well, let's go. Oh, let's go. So sorry, guys. In the middle of the sprayer, this way the mozzarella gets melted. Voila, done. So we're gonna get the other. I'm gonna get the other pizza. I'm gonna put it in the grill. This way we can put it on top and eat it. Let's go. So I'm gonna finish to cook this one. That's gonna go on top. Check out the burger. That's ready. Do you want to take it out when it's ready? Where we can place it? The pizza here is ready, my friend. I think that's ready too.
That's
mozzarella
ready.
is ready. We can take it out and place it on the table. Let's see. All comes out. Just put a like right now. Oh my god, guys, of course I cannot eat this by myself. I'm gonna eat it with my friend here, the owner. And I'm gonna see and taste it in front of you. Okay guys, we are done with the pizza burger. This is a real pizza burger. Here my friend, thank you so much. I can't wait to taste it. But tell our friend before where you are located.
7265 Melrose Avenue, MJ's Grill.
MJ Grill. You cannot miss out. It's next to my pizza place. Guys, we have to. Yeah. It's all yours. It's yours. Gonna place it. Amazing. Look at it. Can't wait. And it's cut in my head. Actually, this one I'm gonna cut in 6 because this knife cuts, Can't wait to see the inside. Man, c'ho l'acquolina in bocca, amici. Solo in America, raga, solo in America. C'è. Take a look. Take a look. Wow, nice and juicy. Oh my god. Woo. It's making love with the flavor, guys. Making love with the flavor. That's the goal. So you asked me to make a different style of pizza. That's it. That's the one. My friend, you want to enjoy with me? We're gonna taste together. Look at this crust under the pizza. Wow! Look at the crust of the pizza, man. I'm so hungry. Can't wait. Bye.
Cheese, put the cheese.
Cheese. Come. Go for. Nice and juicy. Vieni qua, vieni da papà. Wow.